Display the world in the palm of your hand. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so I am here today to talk about the Nextorage NX1 Bedroom Projector. Now, I reviewed a couple of smaller projectors, but I am truly amazed by just how small this projector really is. But before we get started on the details for the projector, I do want to give a shout out to Newegg. Newegg and me have a history, obviously. I used to work for them back in the day, and I still believe they are one of the best places to buy electronics, especially laptops, desktops, and all PC parts. They give really good deals every day with their shell shocker deals. Their PC builder makes it extremely easy to build any PC knowing all the parts will work together, and you don't have to go to multiple websites just to buy the product. Plus, the laptop finder, I did have a little bit of feedback in creating, and I think it is the easiest way to buy a laptop on the internet. The links for the projector, PC Builder, and Laptop Finder will all be in the description. Now, let's go back to talking about just how small this projector really is. It's the size of a smartphone or smaller than a Bluetooth speaker. With this, it gets you a 720p display with 105 ANSI lumens. So perfect for nighttime or rooms with minimal light. I've used similar bright projectors in hotels and even cruise vacations. Also, besides being super small, I have to mention just how lightweight it is. 155 grams, that's less than half a pound. When unboxing the projector though, I will say I am glad to say that it comes with everything you need to get started. The projector comes with a nice flexible arm clamp, ideally so you can clamp onto a bed or nightstand fairly easily. It comes with a USB Type-C cable and adapter, and HDMI, and a few cable clips to keep that cable management looking nice. The projector itself has basic I/O, a tripod screw on the bottom, which is always great to see, HDMI and USB-C for power on the back, along with a 3.5 slot, we'll get to that in a second, USB-A connection for lower powered add-ons, and a focus slider. Now I will say, I was a little worried that there was no remote control or anything else besides the focus slider to adjust the picture. It's auto-correcting on multiple walls and ceilings, has not failed me yet. So what can you use this projector for and where can you use it? Well, ideally this would be great for hooking up a Google TV or Amazon Fire Stick and having a great watching experience for movies and TV shows. Basic gaming like the Nintendo Switch would let you play a lot of fun games with its 720p resolution and no need for really high frame rates. Then one of the best solutions I could think of is connecting it directly from your smartphone so you can have a bigger screen when watching TV shows or YouTube on the go. This last pairing really makes the most sense to me because your smartphone gains a bigger screen, but at the same time your smartphone also has a better built-in speaker than most projectors under $500. Now, speaking of sound, I did mention that we would get to that auxiliary port later. Well, that's because this projector has no built-in speaker. So you do have to either wire connect to a 3.5 cable, or you can simply just use the device you're streaming to connect to Bluetooth. So any Google TV, Amazon Fire Stick, Nintendo Switch, or smartphone can connect to a Bluetooth speaker to have much better sound. I will say the more I thought about this, most projectors that are going to be this small will not have a great speaker. So maybe this was a way to cut costs that pass on the consumer, because we're going to be talking about price next. Now, speaking of that price, the Nextorage NX1 is priced at $199 on sale right now. And for me, that is a very competitive price to make this projector more appealing. The reason I say that is because I have reviewed other portable projectors in the past that have had Google TV built in, a built-in speaker, and a built-in battery. However, those do cost double the price and are 2 to 3 times bigger, plus weigh a lot more. So at its current price, if you already travel with a Bluetooth speaker like I do and just want a bigger display for your Nintendo Switch and smartphone in your hotel room, then I really do believe this is a much more affordable solution for those purposes. Not to mention, there's just something magical about a projector in a kid's room. My son has a 55-inch TV in his room, but I never see him as happy playing his favorite games or watching his favorite cartoons as he does when I show him a projector in his bed. So let me know what you think. For me, I definitely can see myself just always traveling with this projector because if I need a bigger screen, I have it. And I always carry around a Type-C adapter as well as an HDMI, so there's really no reason not to take it with me. Plus the fact that I can even put it in a check-in bag because it doesn't have a bigger battery is a big plus for me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.